Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Kralkur. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful simple tray out of the clay at my studio. So keep watching the video and enjoy the video. So first I'm gonna take out the some clay to make this tray, and this is the stoneware clay at my studio, and in my hand it's you can cutting wire, and with this I'll take out some raw clay which is not yet wedged. We have to prepare the clay before making any item, so just taking out some clay, and here begins the process.
There's not much to do when all I can.
Now after taking out the clay, it's weighed, and I'll take some 500 grams of clay to wedge it and to make this tray. So I'll take out some extra clay at the side of the table, and now I will wedge it. So yes, making some space on my wedging table, and trying to check out which clay I'll take to make the tray. So keeping the things a bit, giving some space on my table and getting ready to wedge it. So wedging process I had already showed in my previous videos. You can check out the wedging process. So let me come back after making the clay smooth, wedged properly. I'll get back to you.
Not sleeping well. And I know that
Yeah, now I'm showing you the other side of the wedging from a different angle. So actually it's my slab roller which I'm using as a wedging table as well. So you don't need to have two things, or sooner or later I'll have the wedging table also. So right now I'm just trying to make the clay soft and wedge it properly, and as I have to make a slab, so it has to be very smooth and without any air bubbles. So yeah, it takes a lot of time and efforts to prepare the clay. So it's the first step in pottery. And yeah, I'm making out a ball, and then I'll cut it with the trimming tool, and just to see it's smooth and without any air bubbles, right? And yeah, jewelry is not allowed in pottery. It gets it interferes in every process, and my all jewelry it gets with the clay and all, and clothes also. So yes, okay, coming back to the pottery. So yeah, taking out this and making it the rectangular shape, you can see it. So now it is like I can make a slab out of it. So this is the process. Yeah, this is the way, this is the technique how to make the flat surface if you have to make the slab. Now fast forwarding it, I'll show you the final flat clay which I'll take out of the slab roller. So this is the process, and this is the piece. So coming to take it out as a slab from a slab roller, so doing some engineering here, measuring the adjusting it to how much thickness I need in a slab. So I'll taking out a very thin slab, so I'm just checking out with the scale, and the measuring thingy is there on the already in this tool. So yeah, we'll show it. So adjusting it, and I guess it's done. Yeah, it's ready. So this is the slab roller. After setting the same same set of scale on both sides, so this is turning the knob, it moves it down, and if I want a thicker slab, then I have to take it anti-clockwise, and it will be like a thick slab will come out. So as I need a thin slab for a tray, it should not be that heavy, or it should not be that light, and it should not break. So this is the product.
beside you, I would.
So the slab roller is set, the piece is ready, and I'm rolling the slab. This is how it is done, and adjusting the knobs if the thickness is not right, and giving moisturizing it with water, and rolling it back and forth. And this is the front view of it, how it is done. And finally I have the slab I want, and now I'm just giving it the finish with the rib and the sponge with some water. Now I'm putting up some shape. I want a rectangular shape, so I just had this piece with me of some unused thing, so I kept it as a I'll get the rectangle shape out of it. So this is the base for my tray. This is actually the tray, so I'll give it now some shape. So cleaning it up, giving it smoothness, and adjusting the sides and cleaning it up, making some clay coils to put support so that it can give curved shapes from the bottom and the sides, and making a spiral like this, which I'll be adjusting at the corner. I want it at the corner, so I'll be adjusting it like this. I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm wrapping it up to some time so that some moisture is retained. And now after it is to some extent in the leather hard, so it's like pin tool. With pin tool I'm scratching at the both portions and using the slurry to fix it. It acts as an adhesive. So applying it on both the things that has to be attached so that it will be attached properly. And now I'll be showing you how to fix it with the small clay coils in a couple of seconds. This is the clay coil and it acts as adhesive. So fixing it, I'll also show you with slow speed also, so keep watching. So it fixes it properly, and you can use any for any aesthetic looks, we can use anything. So I just like the spiral, so I made it, and I make it sure that after firing and after glazing it won't break off. So wrapping it again, and it's done to get dry. So I'm leaving the studio, moisturizing my hands and using a mist jewelry again, so that I'll see my products and setting it right to see it tomorrow to make another video. So we'll see you with next video. Till then, keep watching and supporting Kralco. Allah Hafiz.